Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove viruses and unnecessary junk files from your PC in just 3 simple steps. It protects your PC from viruses and improves its performance. This is a quick and beginner-friendly method, and you don't need to install any extra software. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. In the first step, we'll use disk cleanup to remove junk files that may contain viruses. Go to the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Open it. Select your system drive, which is usually C, and let it scan. Now, check the boxes for files you want to clean, like temporary files, recycle bin, and system cache. Now click on Clean up System Files. It will again scan and detect more files. Again, select all boxes. You can see it has detected 2 GB of temporary files. Click OK and then delete files. This will clear a lot of unnecessary junk that could slow down your PC. And our step 1 is completed. In step 2, we'll delete some hidden temporary files manually, since they aren't removed automatically. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Here type temp and press enter. You will see a lot of temp files here. Press Ctrl plus A to select them all. Then press delete button to delete everything in that folder. Do the same again, press Windows plus R. This time type %temp% and press enter. Now select all files in same way, then delete all files here too. Once again press Windows and R. Then type prefetch in run. And delete everything in that folder as well. These are all temporary files that your system doesn't need anymore. Now our second step is completed. In third step, we will use Windows built-in malicious software removal tool. For this, go back to the Windows search bar and here type MRT. Open it. Click Next. It will give you 3 options. If you choose first one, it will scan your files and softwares only. And if you choose second option, it will scam your full PC. To show you, I will choose first option. This will scan your system files and softwares for viruses and remove any harmful software it finds. It may take a while depending on your PC, but it's worth it. Now if it finds any virus or malicious file, then it will show here. That's it, your computer should now be cleaner, faster, and safer from viruses. If you want a free antivirus and malware removal tool, then watch first video. If you want to delete all unnecessary files and folders from your PC, then watch second one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy PC tips.